Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I am good at. You would use this sentence pattern to talk about your abilities, talents, strengths, and skills. आप अपनी क्षमताओं, प्रतिभाओं, ताकत और कौशल के बारे में बात करने के लिए इस वाक्य पैटर्न का उपयोग करेंगे. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं. I am good at cricket. I am good at art. I am good at drawing. I am good at computer programming. I am good at swimming. I am good at skating. I am good at debating. I am good at cooking Italian food. I am good at giving presentations. I am good at singing. I am good at public speaking. I am good at photography. I am good at designing clothing. I am good at art. I am good at playing football. I am good at logical thinking. I am good at math. I am good at synonym. I am good at guessing. I am good at problem solving. I am good at hiding my emotions. I am good at ignoring. I am good at pretending. I am good at lying. I am good at leadership. I am good at running. I am good at remembering faces. I am good at time management. I am good at calculation.